So this is how you can search for old emails on the iPad. Let's get started. And if this is your first time here on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss the upcoming tutorials and explanations like this one. Of course, it all comes down to the mail client that you use, the mail app that you click on. I know for a lot of people, it's the official mail app from Apple. So let's start with that. So you can get inside as such. And in order to search for the older emails, you essentially have to locate your inbox, right? On the left panel, you get to pick the specific inbox that you are in. And always in the top right corner, you have the magnifying glass, which is the search icon. So you're going to tap that and you're going to start with some phrase or a sender or whatever clue you have to look up the of course, old emails, right? So you can, for example, start typing in just like in my case, the Facebook, right? I started with that word, and I can filter it by the Facebook sender, Facebook friend suggestions, and so many other things which are actually part of my iPad. So you can see that once I look that up, there are going to be results which are from the current time, but the older emails are most definitely visible as well, because you can see I can keep on scrolling as such, and you will be able to find that there are messages from like last year or even older, right? So I can keep on scrolling, and there are messages or emails which are even 2 years old. So you have to scroll through them a little bit, but that's how you can search for even older emails. Keep in mind that you can also click on the current mailbox or all mailboxes, and you'll be able to see the distinction there as well. So it's very useful, but you need to find that. Of course, I mentioned that it all comes down to the mail client, because for example, if you use a Gmail or something else, the searching works a little bit different because you have like more filters, but it at the end of the day, it gets the same job done. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to find it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next videos as well.